Let's take a look at our product offering. 1. Data Marketplace. Our platform is a dynamic hub with live and authentic datasets sourced from an extensive global network of partners. All these datasets are commercially licensable and ready for machine learning applications. 2. Custom Data. Our custom data offering utilizes our crowd platform, Nevo. Leveraging a decade of data collection and labeling expertise, we specialize in gathering edge cases and scenarios where real-world data exhibits gaps. This is crucial because the real world is inherently biased and doesn't encompass all the possibilities required to train a foundation model. 3. Conversational AI. Building on our extended expertise, we excel in fine-tuning state-of-the-art models in conversational AI. This is particularly noteworthy as contemporary models share similar mechanics, with the differentiating factor lying in the diversity of data sources. To learn more and how we align with your AI initiatives, contact us today. Defined AI, smart data for ethical AI.